Most small YouTubers are making these mistakes and it's costing them a lot of views, and it turns out they're pretty easily avoidable. I suggest you pay attention to the 7 most common mistakes beginner YouTubers make, why they are a bad idea, and how to avoid them. 1. Diverse content. A huge mistake is to create videos about everything. Some think that this approach will bring more viewers, but it's absolutely not true. If you have videos about photography, fashion, and pets, for example, which are your hobbies, it will be hard to grow subscribers because they just don't know what they subscribe to. To make a recognizable channel, you need to stick to a certain subject or theme and create useful content upon that. This will help your audience to find you easier, and due to consistent watching, your videos will appear in the search results more often. 2. Focus on numbers. It's very easy to become obsessed with YouTube statistics. Reaching a particular milestone in a number of views or subscribers can be a buzz bug. Trying to get more views and promoting videos rather than focusing on the quality of the content is a huge mistake. If you take bigger channels as references and see that they're getting millions of views, you might get disappointed and think, why are my videos not getting those views? They're as good as those. But it's not how it works. You have to put out lots of good content and be out there for a while before you get a lot of views. So instead of spending extra time and energy on trying to promote videos on every social platform, spend more time making more videos and improving your skills. You can get lost in the analytics, and it's one of those things that can take your attention away from the important part, which is creating awesome content. Remember that every time you upload a video, that's another chance for someone to find you. 3. Underestimate the importance of thumbnails. Although it seems very simple, many YouTubers neglect to work on thumbnails as carefully as on the videos. This is a mistake because a thumbnail is the first what a potential viewer sees, and it's an engaging and attractive thumbnail that makes the viewer click on the video. We're very visual. If you go to a store and you have a whole aisle full of similar goods, you're naturally going to be drawn to the one that looks the best to you. Whatever has the nicest style, that's the one you're going to choose, and videos are no exception to that. These thumbnails are eye-catching, informative, and recognizable. You need to actually grab people by creating engaging thumbnails and title and your descriptions, because if someone doesn't click your video, then they're not going to watch it. So put some effort into creating that element of content for your channel. 4. Poor video quality. Of course, we come across popular videos shot on a mobile phone, but you should understand that such videos have a 1 in a million chance of going viral. And in order for the videos to make a good impression, they should be of high quality, filmed with a good camera, with good light and sound. Try to improve the quality as much as you can. 5. Not analyzing your metrics. Tracking your metrics is important for understanding what's working and what's not on your channel. Make sure to regularly analyze your view counts, engagement rates, and subscriber growth to see what content is resonating with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. 7. Giving up too soon. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make is giving up too soon. Building an audience and creating a successful channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating content and engaging with your audience, and success will come. Lastly, starting out a YouTube channel, you need to enjoy the process of creating content. You need to stop worrying about the analytics so much. You need to enjoy the fact that you're creating content, and this is something that you love doing. By avoiding these mistakes and implementing these tips, you can set yourself up for success on this platform. Best of luck on your YouTube journey.